Hi everyone, Siavash here, first Australian to be GHL certified admin. And if you know me, I'm all about API integration and making things simpler. So what we have in here is our Clinical Connect platform. In this platform, currently we are integrating these four practice management software into your high-level account seamlessly. So for now, we're starting with these four platforms, and as we go, we're going to add more platform as well. So once you sign up, you will see your dashboard like this, and you can basically choose which one of these platforms you want to integrate to your high-level account. So we got Clinical, we got NuCal, we got MindBody, and JNAP is coming soon. So let's say you want to add Clinical, you just click on it. It will scroll down and it shows you what you need to do. And every time that you add a new integration or connection, it will actually show you how many connections you have for that clinical, for example, and how much is it costing you. Same with NuCal, MindBody, and other platform. So this is specifically good for agency clients that have like multiple practices. They're supporting all type of healthcare, gym, and those kind of things. So they have some of them on clinical, they have some of them on JNAP, they have some of them on MindBody, and those kind of things. And all you need to do is to add bunch of fields from your high level, which I'll show you where you can get it. And then depending on the connection that you're making, so for example, for clinical, we need the clinical API key, which you can simply grab from your clinical account. Same with NuCal. For MindBody, we need something else called site ID. All of these, if you don't know how to find them, you can just simply email us and I will show you. I'll shoot you a Loom video and you'll be able to grab that. Once you provide that and click on add, it will get added and you will start seeing the integration and syncing working. So currently, basically, we're going to get all the custom fields. For example, for clinical, you can get last appointment, upcoming appointment, practitioner, clinic location, all of those kind of things, the type of treatment, and we also provide how much they pay, like the purchase and those kind of things. Similar things coming from other platforms. It all depends on what each one of these platforms allowing us to grab, and they publicly expose for us to basically sync into your high level. Now let me show you what I mean by CRM location name, CRM private integration key, and CRM location ID. All right, so I'm in my high level and say this is one of your clients that you want to enable the integration. So the first thing that you want to do, you want to go down into the settings and CRM location name. You just can grab this name, the friendly business name. You just grab this and put it in here. Now for the location ID, you just same place in here, it says location ID. You just click on this and it will copy it. And then you can paste it in here in the location ID. And now we got the other one, private integration key. So if you go back in here on the left-hand side, there's a section called private integration. You click on that. And this is where you create a new integration. You click on this, you name it. Let's say this one is clinical. You name it clinical. You don't need to add a description, just click on next. And now we just need some scope. So the first scope is going to be contact. So if you type contact, we want to view contact and edit contacts. And then if you type in custom, so we want the edit custom fields and view custom fields. So these are the scopes that's needed. And once you click on create, it will give you this key. You just need to copy this and paste it here. The reason that we are doing this, it's because we want you to have all the security stuff. So anytime that you're not happy or you don't want to pause this, you can just come in here and just cancel this key and nothing's going to happen inside your GHL account anymore. So you're completely in control, easy to install, easy to reinstall. Same with our platform as well. Let's say you lose a contract, you lose the client, and you come in here and you can actually delete their account and it will automatically cancel your subscription on the spot. So you don't need to go through any like emailing us for canceling and those kind of things. So this is what we have currently. Let me know what you think. Looking forward to have you on the platform. JNAP is coming. I know a lot of you in North America, US, and Canada have clients that are using this, but we have a solution for it, but it's not what you call it, like real-time sync yet because they're not providing that. But I've been in touch with their head of integration department, and we will have access to their API as soon as they release the beta. So we are actually on top of the list. All right. Hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know if you have any question. And again, the website is clinicoconnect with no spaces .com. So if I want to actually type it in here, let me show you. Here's the website, clinicalconnect.com. Go ahead. You can just easily sign up with a user, an email, and a password. And once you sign up, you're in. You can choose what account you want to connect to. And that's it. Once you put the credential, the connection, we're going to make the connection, and you'll start seeing the accounts coming in. One last thing for those of you that are worried about that, what happened as soon as I connect. So unless you ask us to sync all the previous patients inside that platform, you will not see any previous patients coming in. The way that they get triggered is as a new patient gets created or as a new appointment gets created as soon as you start your subscription. However, if you want the history of all the previous clients to just get fetched for the first time, we can do that for you as well. Just shoot us an email and say, hey, this account, I want all the patients to be synced. And we're going to do that once, and then after that, it's going to get updated. All right. I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm super pumped, and we're going to get a bunch of other this practice management software integrated as well, so you can use it with automation, AI, and all of those kind of things. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.